guys, it's me Wendy and welcome back to my channel. Stay tuned to see what I have to say about this lovely unit. Today I'm coming to you guys with this lovely unit by Outre. The name of this unit is called Lilyana and I picked it up in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. Let's just give it up for this color. This color is everything. Oh, I'm in love with this color. That like button just for this color alone because this color needs its own silence, okay? So let's just jump right into the cap construction. Here is the stock card on this unit. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front by the ear, 1 comb in the back. It comes with adjustable strap and it comes with the elastic band. This is part of their melted hairline and that hairline is giving me meltedness 100%. Any cons about this unit? It does shed just a tad bit, not too much, but it sheds just a little. I haven't experienced too many tangling here and there, but not too bad. I did brush out the crimps on this unit because I wanted this nice I wanted this volume. I wanted this nice beachy look with this hair. Let me tell you guys, senior year of high school, I was queen of crimps. Like I had crimps in my hair like every other week. I loved crimps. So when I saw this style, I was like, oh my gosh, oh, senior year of high school, wow, it's taking me back. So that is the main reason why I purchased this unit, because I wanted this crimpy style. They always say everything comes back around. I didn't think that the crimp style would be coming back around, but it surely is, and I am here for it. I'm loving this style. So the texture on this unit is a silky texture. I love the density on this unit. It's thick from root to tip. There's no thinness at the bottom, so the density is pretty good. The size of this unit, I would say, is mid to a little bit big. I don't think it's that much of a big head friendly cap. If you don't use the elastic band, then it might be big head friendly, but if you are using it, then it won't be big head friendly. The highlights that are in this are they're everything. This unit reaches past my breast, which is a pretty good length. I'm loving this unit, especially for winter. I mean, I would definitely rock this in the summer because the curls on this unit is just summery, very summery. Why do I feel like this side I was able to brush out more of the crimps on this side than this side? Like this side, these crimps on this side is here to stay tight. And like you can definitely see that difference. I did use my tinted hairspray to spray the front of the lace just so that I can achieve that melted hairline, and I did go in and use powder on that lace part. So let me know what you guys think of Lilyana down in the comment section. I'm really loving the length and the color on this unit. The hairline is pretty good as well. So let me know your thoughts on this unit. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. It's me, Wendy, signing out.